Greetings, plant enthusiasts. Join us on a captivating journey into the realm of carnivorous plants as we delve into the unique world of Drosera binata, commonly known as the forked sundew. This captivating carnivorous plant hails from Australia, New Zealand, and parts of Asia. Throughout history, it has captured the fascination of botanists and enthusiasts alike with its captivating insect trapping abilities. Its unique feature is its forked leaves, adorned with sticky, dew-like tentacles that serve as traps for unsuspecting insects. As these tentacles capture and digest prey, Drosera binata exhibits its captivating carnivorous nature. Its slender stems and vibrant green color make it a standout addition to any collection. These carnivorous plants thrive in bright, indirect light and require moist, well-draining soil. While they have specific soil needs, they're relatively adaptable and can even tolerate periods of drying out between waterings. Creating a humid environment will help simulate their native habitat. Enhance your plant displays by considering companion plants that complement Drosera binata's unique and captivating nature. Since carnivorous plants often thrive in their own space, you can consider placing them alongside other carnivorous plants or in terrariums that provide a suitable microclimate. Beyond its captivating appearance, Drosera binata serves a unique purpose in the ecosystem. As a carnivorous plant, it plays a role in controlling insect populations in its native habitats. In cultivation, it offers enthusiasts an opportunity to observe the captivating process of insect capture and digestion, making it an educational addition to botanical collections. And there you have it, the captivating world of Drosera binata, the forked sundew. Happy cultivating,